Hey, what's going on, guys? Matthew here, and today we're back in another video. Today we are playing Welcome to the Neighborhood of Robloxia, and today I am collabing with Patrick again.
Hey guys!
So what actually sucks is his YouTube channel got disabled for some weird reason. So now what's going on is it's going to be back in a couple days, so go subscribe to Patrick. But you know, I want you guys to comment down below. Should me and him make a YouTube channel together? I don't know. So, comment down below. Do you want to? I don't know. So, I think, yeah. You're a doctor. Lol. Oh, hey! Look, follow me. I think you put the computer away. Well, wait, first let me put this in full screen. What are you carrying? Oh my gosh, you got a flashlight. Oh, emotes. Are you trying to drive someone's car? Lol. Yeah, it is. It is a starter car. What are you doing? I hear you doing burnouts over there. I don't know. I'm getting inside the car. Why is your blinker on? Alright. I have 2,300. Basically, oh my gosh, wait, can I steal this car? It's like an SUV. Oh my gosh, I just stole someone's SUV. This guy just stole. This guy. Bro, he just got inside your car. Lol. Well, lols. Alright, you know what? Bro, that's my car. Get out of my car. It's my car. Lol. Joke's on you! See on the left where it has all those, like, those... That's where you get a car from. So, lol. Lols. Hey, you know what? I think I'm gonna... Oh my god. What car do I want? Buy a vehicle. Let's see what kind of car do... I'm thinking of what car I should get, and I don't know what car I'm going to get a taco. I'm getting a taco. Getting a taco, you just passed me. Let's get a taco. Come on, let's get a taco. Sit down at my table. Dude, there's actual menus. We can buy tacos. Wait, what kind of car do you want to buy? No, you don't have to go to work. It just pays you automatically. What? Alright, you know what? I'm just gonna go buy a house. Get it. The houses are free. They all look different. Look, get. Boy, I can become a horse right now. I know, I played this game before. I've been a horse. Patrick's new identity is a bird. See, one thing that I hate is in this game, there's mansions, but you can't buy them. You're a doggo. Oh, rip. Rip. R.I.P. Patrick. Buying a house. I'm gonna buy a GMC Yukon. Dude, I just bought a huge house. It was free. What are you? Or go buy that mansion. No, Patrick, you can't get the mansion because you have to buy a game pass. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where? Where? No, I don't think you can in this game. Go to that red mansion. Oh, I see you. Hey, I'm right behind you. Dude, I got a huge house. Look, follow me. No, it's bigger. I think it's alright. Yeah, look, no, you went the wrong way. You have to turn right. Lols. Oh my gosh, look at this cafe. I'm in front of the cafe. Just keep going straight. Look, there's an ambulance on the cafe. I'm right in the street. See me? Come to my house. Right here. It's huge. I'm in the garage right now. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Dude, look, if you come through the garage, this is awesome. Yeah, you kind of just go through them. No, you can buy furniture. I'm gonna see how much furniture costs. My furniture, I have 0 furnitures. Dang. Yo, I have a good idea. Alright, well, I mean, I don't know where the bed went, but guys, if you did enjoy that video, please drop